So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change view in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Planner. You can see my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolios, and many more features here like new plan and so on. So through here you can see names of plans like project management, simple plan, new project with invites, new name for a new plan. So these are some of the plans I've added. So in order to change view, so let's just open one of the plans. You'll see views on here. So you can see a grid view. So if it's easier for you to work in this type of environment, so with this view, by all means, but usually it's going to look something like this. So through a board view, and I think also that it's a better way to organize tasks. It's quite easier to see which task is for which bucket. You can also go through a schedule phase, so you can see there's a calendar and you can see it through there. You can also use the charts, so it gives you some other stats. So it's quite good to have different. If you have a premium plan, you can even convert it to a timeline, and I can just show you through this plan right here. So you can see goals, people, charts. So you can see quite a lot of different views that you can add through Planner. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.